Learn how to make the famous honeycomb candy from Squid Game. This fun and easy DIY tutorial will guide you step by step to create your very own candy shapes. Watch sugar transform into golden caramel and see the baking soda reaction for an exciting twist. Follow easy-to-follow instructions with animated text overlays that will guide you through every step. Create fun Squid Game-inspired shapes like the circle, star, and triangle. Get tips for achieving the perfect candy texture every time. End the video with an exciting challenge. Can you carve your shape without breaking it? Add upbeat music, playful animations, and clear subtitles to keep viewers engaged throughout the video. Perfect for anyone who loves DIY projects, tasty treats, or is a fan of Squid Game. Make your own honeycomb candy today and join the fun. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing hacks and epic experiments.